blessings. Welcome to V-La-Nessa's world.
I wasn't gonna give you a vlog this week, but you know what? I'm gonna spoil you this week. So today is April 8th and it's the eclipse day. I was like, you know what? Let's not do that, no vlogging this week. I'm just gonna give it to you. I'm gonna sacrifice because guess what? We're trying to be consistent. So might as well I give you a vlog. So I'm gonna see if I can go and get the eclipse on my phone. Like there's so much things going on with like they say that you make sure your device turned off, make sure this, make sure that. Yeah, but anyhow, I'm gonna go out and get you some if it's even to bring my digital camera, right? Guys, listen this let me tell you now. From a bite, remember the first time I tell you now? I only used 2, and the reason I only use 2 is because of video purposes. Like every time I wet them, like see the next one here, the case 30. The next one here, this is the one that I wet to show you that hey, when you wet it, it get big. After that, I just been using this. I just leave this because this seems like it can serve if you are like good 6 years. So long I have been using this, and it's still working. Right, so I would advise to go and get you some if you want something to wash your face with, and it's very gentle with your face. So go and grab this, and it's on my storefront. I'm not saying it because I wanted to go buy it on my storefront. I'm saying it because I really like it. Because once you have one in, it's just a sponge. You can just keep using it, you know, and it lasts very long, and it wasn't expensive either. And it's just cute because it's pink. I just got up and I just say, you know what? Let's give the people a vlog. Let's give the people a vlog. And that is what I'm going to do. So, yeah. By the way, I'm using this on my face. Clean and Clear. Essential Foam Cleanser. Listen, I'm not giving you a facial routine because if I was, I would put on my earband and all these stuff. But I just do my little quick morning routine. Yeah, that's it. So not so much of a facial routine. Just a come and I just say, I'm going to give you the vlog. And for that, I don't need to like the video. That's all I have to say. So we just wash it out and let's put it back in this. Close it, leave it for tomorrow. That's what I do. Another thing that I use on my face, like clean stuff, is this Clean Skin Club thing. These are all under my facial thing, by the way. So you can go and grab it. It's like just a clean towel. You know, you don't use rag, you just use this and dry your face. When I'm finished like with this, I leave it so I can wipe off the counter with the rest. I'm just gonna go in and brush my teeth because yeah, and then after I put on everything else. And the toothpaste that I use is Hello. This is the mouthwash. And this is also the mouthwash. But this one is concentrated, so you mix this with water. It's very thick. Alright, so you buy this, you mix it with water. Now this is just like a regular. And these are very good for you. Meaning, we don't have a lot of chemicals and so forth. It's like a green base. So this one say no, this one is vegan friendly, no alcohol, no dye, no artificial sweetener, no artificial flavor, no SL sulfate, no briner. Right, so that's what all of these don't have. It's a very healthy toothpaste, you know. Yeah, because these days they'll be trying to kill us, so we have to, you know, protect ourselves. Oh God, this dead every time. Every time, no? Every time. It dead. But it's home. Hold on, hold on. Every time I do a video with this, it's shaming. And it's not that it don't good. I tell you, see, from the last time I went on my vacation, I charged it before and I never charged it since. So you can see it really lasts. I think it's been 2 weeks and a couple of days since I charged this, and it's still going. And yesterday, you know, I saw it was blinking and I was like, should I charge it instead of a little charge in there? And see there? It's not the second time I come for video about it and it embarrassed me. Or I'll be why I have to do that. But guys, it lasts long. That's all I have to say. And then you can also, if you can share it with your family, right? So all you need to do like this, if you realize, don't look on the nastiness, because if you realize it have blue lining, so you have the others that have like pink, green, so you can say, all right, this one is for me, this one is for your spouse, that is for your child, so you can change this, and you just take it off like that. And then when the next person want to come, they put theirs on it. And yes, you don't need to get a whole lot of, like, you don't need to get more than one of this because it really lasts long. So what you need to do is, like, if you get this, you get different heads, and then you just keep it on the charge. So it's not going to overcharge or anything. It's just going to charge to the max and it keep going. But since when I use it, I just charge it one time. When it dead, I'm going to charge it again. So that's that. And then I also have a tongue scraper. If you want your mouth to smell good, use a tongue scraper. Because sometimes that's where all the muck is, on your tongue. My tongue cleans now. Water floss. I always like put some of this in here because it's not me using the mouthwash. I just flash with the mouthwash and the water, and it still gives me that mouthwash kind of feeling. You get what I mean? Alright. And guys, when I buy this, I never charge it. From the day I bought it, I don't know if you remember, I never charged it. And see that it still have 2 bars. I never charge it. So that's that for my oral. And as always, you know, I always use them stuff on my face. Start off with the hyaluronic acid. This is like a water-based thing. It hydrates your face. Yeah. You go in with the niacinamide. The niacinamide helps with blemishes and so forth. So get rid of the blemishes the natural way, not like bleaching, you know. You have the azelaic acid, which also brighten your face and get rid of blemishes. So I use this much because I don't need a lot. Alright, so the reason I'm going to use this is because it's kind of oily and I need something to glide the thing that I'm going to use on it, on my face. So yeah, see how it glow. I'm just going to use this. This reduces wrinkles, by the way. When I bought this, I'm not charged it. I don't know if you can see like a slight lift. I don't know. That is what they said. It kind of look a bit visible. I don't know. And that's it for my morning routine. Yeah, so I'm just gonna look about breakfast right now. I don't know what I'm gonna have, but whenever I'm going for my glasses to go and watch the eclipse, because you need glasses to watch the eclipse. If you don't have the glasses, don't watch the eclipse, because we don't want no blind people around here. So I want to go for that. I am off today, and I just need to go. And I think I can watch the eclipse from where I'm at, but I just need to go and get the glasses, right? I'll pick up back with you, and if you're new here, just remember to subscribe. And if you're old here, you like the video yet? You like it yet? Like, what are you doing? Are you really a part of the VP crew? Have you like it? Like it. Okay. My breakfast. This is what I'm having. Banana, yam, right, plantain, and dash out. If you know, you know. And pear. Yeah, so that's what I'm having. There. I'm also cooking ribs for dinner later. Just gonna eat this, get something down my stomach, and then prepare for the eclipse. I think, as I said, I think I'm gonna leave like 1. And this might just be like a daily vlog instead of a weekly vlog. I don't know. Let's see, because I need to get this edit because I have a lot of things to do this week. So yeah, so I'm just gonna keep you up to date as the day progress, and then if the week progress and things happen, and then yeah, water park for sure Friday. And if I'm going to water park Friday, you know, you're not gonna get that until the other video, because we have to edit the video before Friday to get started Saturday. Alright, so I'm gonna eat my breakfast and then come back to you a little later. Like, look at the amount of vehicles that's right here, people going that way. Right now I'm wondering if I'm going the wrong way. Like, there's a shuttle pick up some people, but everybody, like, every yard full of car, the sidewalk full of car. I'm showing you. I can watch it from which part of my day now, but what's the fun in that? Like, what's the fun in that? I want to be in the festivities so I can show you guys. So yeah, anyway, this is my view. That's my view, and I'm walking. Yeah, me reach and this pack your foot, as in the car. I don't switch out the people them there yet, but I try to cover up the headphones so when they hear the one I got breeze. Just got to me figure it out because I think I'm last, you know. I think I'm last. I'm waiting, and I think I came too early still. But anyway, I want to show you something because we see somebody in a swimsuit and it's cold. Let me show you. Let's see if I can see. This is that swimsuit, Something crazy. I don't know if you can hear me well, but yeah. Just here waiting until 3:30. I think I came too early, but whatever. It is windy. I feel out of place, but somebody should come and accompany me because you feel lonely. When I go help. This is what happens when you try to do a white man sports. Stay in your lane. No, son. Come out to the gears. Like the man full of gears. And I feel pull. That is how serious this is. So guys, this is what I have to do. I have to use this. And let's just see. Oh God. You see, that's it. That's all. That's the best I can do. This is how the thing is looking right now. Place is get dark 3:30 and the place is dark because of the solar eclipse. After the eclipse. Get back bright. Everyone is leaving now. That was fun. So the experience was nice. It's my first time watching the eclipse. Like I have some nice pictures and videos, and it was nice. Before the eclipse, it did okay. After the eclipse, the place just get cold. The place get dark. Like I first experienced this. I'm glad I experienced it. Right now, a lot of people going back home. I never know it was like a total eclipse. We never know. We think it was just partial. And now I understand the reason why them have the glasses, because it kind of remove the brightness so you can see the moon passing the sun. Because never see the moon or use the glass and say, oh, okay. And we could have watched it right here, so because obviously you can see the sun shine upon me. But you know, you just want you just want the festivities. So that's what I did. And I like this. Look, oh God, look at the view. Sun I shine, but it's still cold. I'm gonna finish cook me barbecue ribs and some mashed potatoes and get ready for work tomorrow. Yeah. Whew, I'm tired. No, sir, I'm not fit at all. I'm not fit. But yeah, that was a good experience and I'm glad I experienced it. So see there guys, we're not dead. God no come. I'm not blind. I'm not start follow social media. Anyway, later. You can't lift your jacket because it's hot out of door. You can't lift your jacket because it's hot out of door.
Then you don't know where place there.
Well, look on the fly. Them. On the something.
Yeah, no. I'm by the start.
On the fly them. Something dead in there.
What's in it?
Your front dead.
That's true. Boy, come like summer, you know.
Yeah, we're hot.
And me don't pack up my things them already. So you know normally on a days like this, mother wear me sneakers. Because me don't pack up everything
Yeah,
already.
but we're
I have to wear this as usual. So me have to suffer. The consequences. The consequences of my action.
Yeah.
First.
Ashley last week. Oh my god. I'm
It's
crying.
not my last week.
Yeah, but it's like still not really count because you only have like probably 1, 2, 3 days. That don't really count. I don't know a full week. So yeah.
No, I go man. No, just I go wake up on morning and so I message.
You can't left and not tell me that me I tell
I
you.
say,
Before me push you over there, so
guys, I'm back in Maine.
I lick your poop.
Oi.
When time lick your poop.
You see, every time I text for me now, I no go. No, but I couldn't not need me.
I know my group. If you get said they treat me like you. You forget?
That is it.
Okay.
Them
So you can't treat me
like,
so.
them not need me. But when you see the message pop up, say, guys, I'm back in Maine. And I say, boy, I never know the use of the and call me when Sashika, she used to make me laugh. But that's psycho. It's psycho.
What I mean? Why we are running?
Oh, the sun is sunny this
Yeah,
morning.
they look nice.
I look
don't
at things that me have on sunscreen. Which Daddy would have said sunscreen. I look at things that me have on sunscreen.
You have on sunscreen?
Yeah.
You think you're white?
Oh yeah.
Look how long we don't get no sun. We need the sun. Yeah, protect yourself from sun. I think say your sunscreen protect you from your darkness.
That's why I don't want to get no darker.
I know for your darkness.
I know
I
for
feel
my
the
darkness.
UV light. We get cancer.
Then me don't want to get no cancer.
Yeah, but you're not getting it because look how long you know see
Me
sun.
not see sun.
Exactly. So you need the vitamin D.
Indeed.
Not the one day. Not the one day. Especially nasty guys, as she broke me out.
Indeed.
Oh, indeed. Maybe I'm tired still. So,
Peace, love, and cocoa bread.
guys, today is like the hottest day in Vermont. Like everybody basically in a sleeveless. And if you're coming up, probably you will say it's cold. But because we've been here for a while and we get so used to the snow, I like yesterday after the eclipse, very, very cold. But right now, me hot. We literally have inside and I pull the door, me a sweat. Place hot, sun hot. But the sun a shine, even the snow melting. Like it's the water right here, so yeah, the snow melt. Like yesterday, well yesterday slushy, and it dry and very hot. Even the door really open because we hot. This is the last unit and we not vacuum until it closer to 5:30. Right now at 4:32. So we basically have 1 hour. I'm not doing no more. Tired. Could have done long time now, but we just take a look at time and go through. So yeah. So that's that for today. Let me start packet. I'm start packet. So might as well just go in a vlog because it's not like me doing anything. Hey guys, so I haven't done an unboxing in a while. So I've decided that I'm going to do like a quick unboxing before I get to my bed. Don't mind the shirt from Bora's Head. This is what you get in the package when you do orientation. So if you're going there, you might get a shirt like this. Yeah, and I like to sleep in it because it's kind of big. You understand? Anyhow, I don't remember if I did the unboxing for this, but I'm just gonna show you. And if I did, then I will put it in. Right? I feel like I need to come over here. So yeah, man, that look better. Alright, so you know, I always get my nails done, and because I'm here, so it's kind of hard to find nail tech. Not really hard, it's just the whole transportation system kind of messed up, and it don't make no sense. The money we make take big go and then get my nails done, and if I always go for refill it, might as well do it myself. So I bought this gel like nails to go on top of my nails. So basically you put it on with the glue like a regular nail tip, and then once you put it underneath the UV lamp it hardens. Right, I bought that just to extend my nails, and it's in like a, what kind of shape this? I think it's a almond shape. And I also went on and I bought this gel nail polish kit, and it comes with the UV light. Yeah, I got that, and I think I got 20 nail polish. These are gel polish, and it also comes with the oil to oil the cuticles, and it comes with additional stuff. Even though I have this stuff, it is good that you get a kit that have everything. You have your nail file, your nail clip, the brush, the thing, you know, it has everything. Like I have this already, and it comes with it just in case you need one. It comes with this. It comes with a little spacing thing for your toes. Yeah. So it comes with a lot of stuff, and it also comes with like heart stuff. Yeah, and even the strips if you want to do like French tips and all those stuff, and it also comes with a lot of nail files, and it comes with this buffer thing too. Yeah, so you can go on and buy it if you want to like practice on yourself and to just do things cheaper. And the nail glue that I bought, it was all over TikTok and them say it's very strong, but as you can see it came burst, but I did put return. So I'm not even gonna pull it because they're already sending me another one. So I'm just gonna send this, and then I'm gonna put it on here so that you can know the nail glue. And all of this will be my Amazon storefront, so if you want to try it. And then I'm also showing you this, guys, because this is what is to come. You understand? You know that we're leaving soon, and we have to doll up, right? We have to doll it up, and I'm doing it. You don't know, so me can do things myself. I can do everything myself. And me used to do here, right? Me used to do it like for business, and yeah. So I'm gonna pull this and let this all over TikTok, and listen, I have to try it. I have to try it because I want to get into my wig era. So I bought this kit, and it is from Dollar Hair. You see this? It has everything in here for you to slay your wig. And I'm just gonna pull it and show you what comes in it. Right? So you have the lace glue remover, lace tint mousse, right? Lace tint mousse, and this is medium brown, and I think that is a perfect, color for me. You have the melting spray, the hair wax, right? Now we need to get out hair comb, hot comb. You have the glue applier and the brush and everything, edge brushes and the glue applier. Yeah, you get this with the kit. Edge control. So this is one kit. Once you have this, you can slay your wigs. Alright, so this is the edge control, the lace glue, you have that. And then you have the edge bands, and we got 2. And I also have this already, but yeah, it is good to know that they give you at least 2. And then you have the HD wig cap, 2 of them. Alright, so you get everything to slay your wig. And on that topic, I got this 26-inch. I actually wanted a longer one, but it's when me feel the hair here, when me feel it, when Tash bring it to me and me feel it, me say yes, this is the one. It's not the one that I was looking for. And even in this, I also get wig cap, so I get 2 more wig cap, but I don't think this is the HD one. This is the regular one. So I have 2 of that. You get the manual how to care the hair. Get another one. What the fuck, I mean, just take them up. Alright, and then we get like hairpins and comb and the strap to hold down the hair, and yeah, that's it. And as I said, this is a 26-inch here, and let me tell you, look at this, silky straight, right? And look at this, look at that, pre-pluck, pre-bleach, baby hair and thing done. Alright, put this over my head like this, pull along the back. Listen, remember, we have put it over me braids. Look at that. Imagine you're seeing this now. But what happened when I cut it off? And like, look at that far. You can't tell that me have on what lace. You can't tell. So guys, just stay tuned for me slaying this wig. Like, I am so excited. Like, no, this here make me want to rock it every day. This here make me want to rock it every day. Like, this here make me want to put on a full beat face and do road. Like, can't talk to me. Talk to who? Me? No, can't talk to me. Like, look at that. Look at that. What lace? We can't even wear it like this. Nobody not gonna know it's a lace up on that joke. But still, when me cut down this and melt that in my skin, you can't talk to me. No. How dare you talk to me? How dare you? And I just love it. I just can't wait to wear it. Right now, I just want to pull off my hair. Yeah, more oil pample off me here. But before me do that, me just want to do my nails first, and I'm going to take you on that journey, and I just want to pack first. So just look out for what's to come. Yeah, look at this silkiness. Oh my, oh my. Imagine parting it in the middle or parting it to the side, and let's drop it over. Oh God, man. Oh God. Like what lace? Ow. What lace? And if you look inside, it has comb, it has straps, and it has 3 combs, 1 in the back and 2 in the side. And it's very stretchy. And I like the fact that it fits me. I don't know if I because me have on this here, but it fits me. And look at that. Oh God. It's 180 density, by the way. Like, what this? What this? I honestly can't wait to try this on. So yes guys, I'm gonna see if I can find this here, and then I'm going to link it to, oh my, look on this. Oh God, like look at that. Oh my, this is so silky smooth. I love it. Like, this is one of the best hair I've ever. I think I had one before, but this, and I'm not. I know flat iron. This come like you can just wear it straight out of the box, straight out of the box, straight out of the box. Yeah, man. So I'm gonna see if I can find it on Amazon and link it for you. So if you want to get it, then you get it. Alright, because me I gotta slay this. I can't wait to just doll up and pretty up and yeah, the road. Yeah. I'll catch you tomorrow, close off the vlog tomorrow, and then see if I can edit this, shave tomorrow and all this stuff. Yeah. Adam, how does it feel to be leaving J Peak?
Feel great.
Feel great.
Stop it, man.
Are you coming back? No. Everybody. And then next year, let's see how we don't come back next year.
Night, I say yes, definitely.
I say I come back next year.
Jamaican refuse when we go for that.
American refuse nobody.
So you'd rather go back and then come back here, sir?
Anybody.
It's on vacation, can already.
But when a vacation and the and yeah, no money, I'm not save that one dime.
You spend more than $1.
Exactly. My point exactly.
DJ Chopper Production.
There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch, it's bringing me out the dark.
Anyway, guys, you can't go hear me, but we're at the water park and we're going to go to the lazy river.
Don't underestimate the things that I will do. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch, and it's bringing me out the dark. The scars of your love remind me of us. They keep me thinking that we almost had it all. The scars of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't help feeling we could have had it all. Floating in the deep, you had my heart inside, and you played it to the beat.
Jesus, the picture we go with you.
Auntie, take your own affair.
Making home down there is my joy.
Adama.
The scars of your love remind me of us. They keep me thinking that we almost had it all. The scars of your love, they leave me breathless. I can't.
Hey. You hear me? You jump on. You jump on.
blessings to find what you look for. Turn my sorrow into treasure gold. You pay me back in kind and reap just what you sow. We could have had it all.
What happened? What happened? What? Oh, what is? I enjoy this.
You have my heart and soul. But you play.
You miss. I jump forward in.
Keep my cool, but tonight I'm whining.
You're not coming in.
In there.
Oh, what the Come closer yet. What it up? What it up? Give me angle. Move it angle. Yeah, right. Nobody can cross it. Only who can understand it can cross it. Nobody can swim. If you cannot swim, you cannot get across it.
To show me that you understand.
I know we're going on this side. I want to go on the red one, but they don't want to go on the red one. They're scared. I'm tired. I'm not fit. But I don't know if they can hear me because it ain't noisy.
Hey, moço, qual é o seu nome?
This is the world's most terrifying water slide, located at Jay Peak Indoor Water Park in Vermont. Literally closes you into a coffin. It's the red slide, as everyone calls it. So you step into this little apparatus. The water is cold on your back as the coffin closes. Then it's just you and your thoughts. At any moment, the floor drops out from under you. Boom! 3, 2, 1, boom! And you drop into a 45-mile-per-hour plunge around a loop.
Commotion like we gotta get up out of here and go somewhere. Gotta make that move, find somebody who appreciates all the love I give. All I gotta do is what's for me, baby, and that means I gotta shake you every time you get this message.
What you want to shoot up so we are shoot out. The man take long to close something for me, you see? How many did I say? Anytime now? Anytime now? I'm going to give me $6. I don't make me hard. Yeah, I don't make me hard to have fun no more. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Anyway, you're not married. Why Rita? Before you get right, you never get it.